Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Creative Pathshala. My name is Varsha and I welcome you to yet another video on my channel. Now, the video is really going to be special, yes, because it is made for you and for benefiting you and your children and for adding value to your lives and to the lives of your children. This particular channel enables you, helps you and mentors you in helping out your child in their educational journey, their overall journey in their growth and development. So I hope that you would definitely consider being a part of the same. So how can you be a part of the same? You can definitely consider subscribing it. And yes, if you really like the videos, you can also consider liking and sharing the same. Also let your friends, families and every near and dear one know about this channel by helping them know about the kind of content which we are posting over here. Now, also one constructive feedback I needed from all of you was that please do post comments that what do you would like to see in the upcoming times. Be a part of the Instagram family also. So my Instagram handle is named, two handles are there. So the very first one is Creative Pathshala, as the name suggests, and obviously the second one is on my name, so it is Varsha Singh. So you can definitely have a search on the same, and whereby you will get to see all the daily activities which I keep on posting, whether what we do at home or whatever I make my child practice the same. So I hope to connect with all of you in the long run, and I also hope that all of you are going to be a part of the same in our virtual journey of mentoring, helping each other out. So thank you so much for being a part. Thank you all of you for being there always and supporting us endlessly. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone. So today we are going to review this particular toy you can say. It's a Imagimake Birds Worldwide kit, you can say, whereby the child would be acquainted to know about the different birds from different countries. For example, you can see it on the cover right now in front of you. That is from India, they have got peacock. From Mexico, they have got toucan. From New Zealand, they have got kiwi. And these all are make 13 fun 3D birds. So these all are 3D birds right in front of you. So from child, you have got vulture. There are 100 pieces of the same, and age group is 5+ years. So you can see that since the box has already been opened for my child, so I'll just be reopening it in front of you. So you can see the different birds. Macaw from Brazil, Antarctica, you have got the seagull. So just follow the simple steps and instructions to make the same. And they have got given these pea-pins also for the child. So though the child anyhow opens it. So you can see that what kind of skills the child gets to learn. So the child gets to learn visual and spatial thinking. The child gets eye-hand coordination. He or she understands the patterns in problem solving. Then also self-expression and motivation. So you can see that rooster from France, fix and stick duck from Greenland, creations 13 3D birds kit it is. So what all does it includes? It includes 13 bird cut out sets, 13 pairs of googly eyes, 1 glue, and obviously the instructions which are given, which I'll just show you right away. So these are all of them, 13. So the child gets to know that which particular bird is associated to which particular country, you can say that. So why to delay? Let's get started. But yes, I would not like to let you drool on the pricing of the same. So this is somewhat $375, which had costed me, but you can definitely check out on Amazon for the current prices. So you can see the brand is Birds Worldwide Imagimake, IMAGIMAKE, and the price was somewhat 375 rupees as mentioned over here. So $375. So let us quickly take out all the stuffs right in front of us. So all of it is out right for us, and I keep the box right away over here. So you can see the very first one which I am going to show to you, it is vulture. So you can see that the pieces are given inside it, and the instructions also to make the same has been given written on this. So I'll just open it and show it to you. So these are the pieces, you know, they have kept it inside each and every bird. So for vulture, you can see all whatever is there, and here it is fix the stand and the legs. The next step is fix these pieces to make the body. So you can see you'll have to take them out over here. Already the cuttings are there, just you need to press them from below and they'll be coming out. And then stick the eyes and slide the collar. Then add the body on the legs, add the tail behind, and obviously add the head to the finish. So whichever you want to do with your child, you can definitely do and let the child know about it. That fine, this particular bird is from this particular country. So the very first one is vulture. Next one is a seagull. Next one is kingfisher. And the other one is toucan, macaw, ostrich, kiwi, eagle, swan, peacock, rooster, a duck, woodpecker. And obviously with all these particular stuffs, they provide you, as they have mentioned, they have given you a set of googly eyes as well, and obviously they have given you a Fevicol as well too for your handy use. So let me show you by making one of the birds of my choice, and definitely the rest of them I'll be sitting along with my son and doing the same. So I'll just make one for you in front of you right now. So let's get started.